course, except for yung mga competitors na for the Asian Games.
Yes, that's correct for both teams.
So given, when is the final deadline for the shortlist to be submitted for the Asian Games?
Actually, there is a short list already that was submitted, no? But it's not yet final because just like the SEA Games, no, you already submitted the short list, but there can still be changes in the end. So hindi pa siya final kahit na meron na siyang initial na nasubmit.
So we saw on the schedule here that the 5-on-5 will be much earlier. In fact, it starts on September 10. So ibig sabihin that we will be fielding yung final 12 for both teams, or both teams earlier than the other sports or the other disciplines that are coming. So